The financial world is abuzz with anticipation as Asia's economic landscape takes center stage this week. But will it live up to the hype? Australia's Reserve Bank in the spotlight. The Reserve Bank of Australia, RBA, is poised to make a pivotal decision on interest rates. Despite a higher-than-expected CPI inflation rate, the RBA is predicted to keep rates unchanged, potentially signaling a cautious approach. But here's where it gets intriguing. A recent spike in unemployment might not sway the RBA, as other labor market indicators hint at underlying resilience. South Korea's economic pulse. South Korea's export-driven economy is under the microscope. While overall exports are forecast to dip due to calendar-related factors, daily averages paint a more optimistic picture. Semiconductor and ship exports are expected to shine, but auto exports might falter. The manufacturing sector is expected to show resilience, despite a slight dip in the Purchasing Managers' Index. And this is the part most people miss. Inflation is creeping up, with a projected 2.3% YoY rise in consumer prices, driven by higher gasoline and food costs. China's trade data in focus. After the highly anticipated 11th Trump summit, China's trade data will be under scrutiny. The consensus is that export growth will decelerate to 4% YoY, and imports will dip slightly, resulting in a trade surplus of $101 billion. But will this slowdown spark concerns or be seen as a necessary adjustment? Taiwan's inflation and trade conundrum. Taiwan's inflation rate has consistently missed its target for months. This trend is likely to persist, with a modest rise expected in October. In contrast, Taiwan's trade performance is robust, with substantial YoY growth in exports and imports, leading to a healthy trade surplus. Japan's resilience amid inflation. Japan's economic indicators are expected to showcase strength. Labor earnings and household spending are projected to rise, defying the impact of high inflation. Healthy wage negotiations and a buoyant asset market could be the catalysts for this resilience. Philippines' GDP growth in jeopardy. The Philippines faces a potential economic slowdown, with third-quarter GDP growth expected to plummet to 5.1%. Government spending scandals and tariff uncertainties are the primary culprits. But could this be a temporary setback or a sign of deeper economic challenges? As we await these developments, one question lingers. How will these economic shifts shape Asia's future? And what opportunities or risks do they present for investors? The answers may lie in the week ahead, and the comments section is open for your insights and predictions.